and we found this new company called Aooa Racing. Well, good morning, team. Good to be here. Al Martin's at Fence Armor. We're always excited about new things, and today we're going to talk a little bit about my F-150 King Ranch. Love that truck. Been real good to us here at Fence Armor. Reliable, and I like keeping it clean and looking good. She's getting a little older. We're always looking at ways to fine-tune it. This year we decided to upgrade the caliper covers. I always get a lot of compliments on those. We ran into some new caliper covers recently that really stand out. I want to say Aooa, like an old Model T. The name is Aooa. How do you pronounce it? Your guess is as good as mine. But they really make some cool looking caliper covers. They've been around, I think, 9 years or so. Very attentive company as far as the service department. If you send them an email, they actually answer you. Make sure you order the right model and year. I think they've got 45 different versions for all kinds of different car companies, and they have lots of different colors. I had liked the red ones. I ordered them online. I paid for them. They arrived, a couple of weeks. Like everything else, it takes a while to get here. Beyond that, the tools necessary, it comes with a little Allen key and a wrench. That comes in the box. It even comes with a cleaning cloth. And each of the caliper covers are in a little bag, and those cloth bags are kind of reusable, that you could use them for putting in your shoes for luggage. To be honest, the first ones that arrived, I took them over to Halton Transmission, actually, is their name, out in Oakville, and they tried to put them on for me while they were doing some other work. But they were having a real tough time with the rears, and the fronts were rubbing, and it just was not a good experience for them. It was the first time they were trying it. It wasn't explained fully that you might need a spacer because there was a problem. They were too close to the rim. The offset wasn't set up for a regular 18-inch or 20-inch diameter wheel. Now, the kit doesn't come with a spacer, and it's definitely needed for the F-150. You need to have a 1/4-inch spacer to allow the clearance necessary for the wheel and the caliper cover, because the caliper cover is a little thicker. If you don't have the spacer, it's not going to work. So be ready for that. Make sure you have that spacer. So I sent off an email to the service team at Aooa, and they got right back to me. I have to say, very responsive company. And I sent photos. I wanted to be able to help them and at the same time help us and make sure that other F-150 owners who buy these caliper covers will get the right stuff. After a bunch of pictures and after a bunch of questions, they figured it out. They actually sent me a video showing me the correct caliper cover and how it should fit and the rest of it. They popped it in a DHL box and got it to me within a week, and I got the new ones. The team at Aooa had corrected the problem, and we had the right stuff to put on. They also made sure that they had the offset, 1/4-inch offset that we needed for the front. Otherwise, the fronts wouldn't have gone on well. Once they're on, they really look pretty cool without adding a lot of money. You just got to find a shop that is willing to put them on for you. So we happened to go to a tire guy, and the guys over at Halton Transmission suggested that we go to another company called Local Tire Guys, and they were all over it. They were willing to do that for us, and they did a great job with it. All right, guys, a lot of different content on our channel. This is a little different than normal, but thank you for watching.